What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to do battery charging speed test of Motorola Edge 40 Neo smartphone that comes with 5000 mAh battery and 68 watt charging, and we will see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So here we go. So for this testing purpose we will use this USB cable and the 68 watt charger that comes in the retail box of Motorola Edge 40 Neo. As you can see, the battery is totally dead and the device is not even switching on. Let's start our test and let's see how much time it's going to take in charging the battery from 0% to 100%. So it's 15 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it is at 46%. So as you can see, the battery charging speed is really fast on Motorola Edge 40 Neo. %63% after 23 minutes. So it's 30 minutes now. Let's have a look on the battery status. And it's at 78% now. So 90% after 37 minutes. So now let's switch on the device. So you can see here turbo power connected. 91%. 92% after 40 minutes. Here in the battery setting you can see it says that it will take 5 minutes more in charging the battery from 92% to 100%. So still at 92% after 45 minutes. And it still says that it will take 5 minutes more. So it's 50 minutes now and the battery is at 99% and it says it will take less than 1 minute in charging the battery to 100%. And now the battery percentage is 100. So it took 51 minutes exactly in charging the battery from 0% to 100% using the charger and cable provided in the retail box of Motorola Edge 40 Neo. So the battery charging speed is quite impressive for sure, considering that we got a 5000 mAh battery here. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.